Yeah, it's about 9:45, and the wind is really bad. Heard it was earlier. Almost lost my umbrella, and the front yard, you won't be able to see it. It's really flooded. I mean, it's up to my ankles. I don't know how well you can hear me, because I have my camera in a bag to prevent it from getting wet. It's not waterproof. And it's really kicking the hell out of my banana trees and knocked a whole bunch of them down. You see a lot of debris around here. I don't know how well you can see it. Definitely won't be able to see the water. There's nothing I can really do about that. But yeah, the front yard's really badly flooded. But that happened before, but luckily, hopefully it won't come out to the door too much. But we've been seeing those transformers blowing left and right. Red colors, blues, greens. Power's been flicking on and off, been losing the internet. Like I said, it's actually 10:45 on September the 10th. I wasn't going to film anything till the morning, but I decided to do it now so you can see this. Or at least I can describe to you what's going on. Yeah, but it's really definitely really blown out here and raining. You're out here for maybe a minute or less, you're soaked right away. I know I'm horribly soaked. I'll definitely do some filming during the day. Show you some of the damage. Yeah, I got several banana trees down. And I don't even think we even got the worst of the storm yet. So we'll see how it goes with that and everything else. But we haven't lost power permanently yet. It's just been flicking on and off. I'm surprised we still have it with all the transformers going down. And the wind gets really loud. It almost sounds like it's alive, like it's an animal. It's the weirdest thing when you listen to that, the wind during a hurricane, when it's really pushing hard. And definitely the wind gusts, it's really blowing the trees around. I'm surprised it hasn't taken down any trees around here yet. Let's not be by that. I don't want to be by that thing in case it comes down here, no. So your feet are wet now. Yeah, but it's really wet out here, I tell you. Yeah, forget it, I'm totally wet. It's no use using the umbrella. I'm all wet anyways. But yeah. Don't know if I'll see when I can upload this. Might upload this tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, it's really something. I tell you, when it starts really blowing, it does get a little scary. And definitely creepy. Like I said, it sounds like an animal almost. Like the weather's alive. Several houses down the street are dark, so it could be possibly that some of the houses lost power and then some haven't. There's like an electrical box down there. It has this light on it, it's flashing red. Don't know what that means. I gotta hold really tight to you, I don't want to lose you. I'll just let you listen to the wind for a little bit. Oh boy. Gotta be careful, you can get knocked down. Holy moly. Whew. Get any more water in this front yard, I'm gonna need a boat. Yeah, definitely over my ankles at the deepest point. Whoa, you see that? Another transformer blew, it just lit up the sky green. You almost think we're being invaded by aliens or something when that happens. It's not just green, it's like a bluish color you've seen. I've seen like a reddish pink. And it lights up the whole sky. There it goes again, I don't know how well you can see that. You really have to be here to see it. Uh-oh. I heard some creaking in the trees. I wouldn't be surprised if we lose one of the boy, it's definitely going on now. And it's not even the worst yet to come. I guess around 2 is supposed to be the worst. 2 in the morning on Monday. Think about it, it's only a little over 3 hours from now. I know you're not going to be able to see much because it's dark. Right, I'm just being careful, holding still. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Phew. I tell you, it's really blowing out here. Now, you're not going to be able to see anything, it's going to be too dark. You have to take my word for it. I guess imagine with those weather guys on TV when they're standing out in this wind reporting. Woo! They definitely have a lot of guts. Oh. Geez, you would think I jumped in the bathtub, I'm so wet. It's really coming down. Hey, don't go near those trees over there. Because I heard creaking. That means one of them might come down. Or at least a limb, okay?
This blew inside out.
Happened to me. If you don't want to stand out here, you can go in if you want. Go ahead. I'm still recording anyways. Yeah. Alright. Take a break from this and I'll be back out to go over how this is going.